If you're a business owner, real estate agent, entrepreneur, or e-commerce store owner, you already know the power of online advertising. But let's be honest, running ads today is overwhelming. Learning how to run Facebook, Google, TikTok, and YouTube ads takes months of trial and error. You waste time, you waste money, and most of the time you end up guessing what works. And hiring an agency, that can all cost you thousands of dollars each month with no guarantee of results. That's exactly why we built this. This AI-powered ad system is designed for people just like you, busy professionals who want a done-for-you system that handles ad creation, optimization, and scaling all across 9 platforms that works for you 24/7. No more second guessing, no bloated agency fees, and no more burning time trying to do it all yourself. Instead, you get a system that learns, adapts, and delivers results without the stress. So, if you're ready to save time, reduce ad spend, and generate better results, let's get into a quick overview of how this AI tool actually works and what it can do for your business. Welcome to the product demo. We'll show you how easy it is to create and launch your Facebook, TikTok, and Google ads. All you have to do is add your website. The system instantly begins working on your ad. Here's an example for an e-commerce brand, and it works for businesses of all shapes and sizes. It recommends the targeting for you with the option for remarketing and lookalike audiences. And it's even writing the ad text with our AI copywriter tool. The platform also selects images for your ad, following best practices across LinkedIn, Instagram, Google Search, TikTok, you name it. All you have to do is add your budget and bam, the ad is ready to launch. It's never been easier to get your business out there, especially with tools like this. Once your ad is live, you can check the results immediately. And you can even delve into the different ad variations it creates. Okay, let's take a look at the Creative Hub, where you can create ad mockups and templates. Just add your website or landing page, and this tool will create an ad mockup, offering multiple headlines and descriptions, and even recommending images or videos. You can save these to use as ads at a later time or just get some inspiration. You can also simply see all of your performance metrics right within your AI ad tool across your channels. Interested in learning more? Visit our website to book a call.